How accurate is measuring 1 gram without a scale?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing the accuracy of measuring 1 gram without a scale. We often come across situations where we need to measure small quantities but don't have access to a scale. So, how accurate can we be in measuring 1 gram without the help of a scale? Let's dive in and find out.
Estimating with common objects.
One way to measure 1 gram without a scale is by using common objects for estimation. For instance, a single US dollar bill weighs approximately 1 gram. Keep in mind that the weight of different currencies may vary, so this method might not be applicable in all regions. Additionally, a standard paperclip typically weighs around 1 gram. These objects can serve as rough references, but it's important to note that they might not provide precise measurements.
Utilizing kitchen measurements.
In the absence of a scale, you can also make use of kitchen measurements to estimate 1 gram. For example, 1 milliliter of water is roughly equal to 1 gram. So, if you have access to a measuring spoon or cup, you can use it to measure out approximately 1 milliliter of a substance you want to weigh. Keep in mind that this method assumes the substance you are measuring has a similar density to water. If the substance is significantly denser or lighter, the measurement may not be accurate.
The displacement method.
Another method to estimate 1 gram without a scale is by using the displacement method. This technique involves measuring the volume of a substance and then calculating its weight based on its density. For example, if you have a known density for a substance, such as 1 gram per milliliter, you can measure out 1 milliliter of the substance and assume it weighs 1 gram. However, this method relies on accurate density information, which may not always be readily available.
Limitations and variability.
It's essential to recognize the limitations and variability associated with measuring 1 gram without a scale. The methods mentioned earlier can provide rough estimates, but they are not as accurate as using a precise weighing scale. Objects and substances can vary in density, shape, and size, which can lead to significant measurement errors. The accuracy of these estimation methods also depends on the precision of the measuring tools used. In conclusion, measuring 1 gram without a scale can be challenging, and the accuracy of the measurements may vary depending on the method used. While estimating with common objects and utilizing kitchen measurements can provide rough approximations, they may not be as precise as using a calibrated weighing scale. For tasks that require high accuracy, it's recommended to use a reliable scale rather than relying solely on estimation methods. However, in situations where a scale is unavailable, these estimation techniques can serve as useful alternatives. Remember to consider the limitations and potential errors associated with each method. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.